Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we're going to discuss about a very interesting topic in physics called momentum. I will explain it to you in the simplest way possible with clear examples that you will never forget. So grab a notebook and let's get started. Welcome to Rising Stars and subscribe for more awesome tutorials. What is momentum? Well, momentum is just a way to measure how much motion an object has. Just think of it like this. A bowling ball rolling fast has a lot of momentum. A feather drifting slowly through the air has very little momentum. From these two scenarios, you can tell that momentum is related to mass and speed of an object. There is another way to explain momentum. You can also describe momentum as a measure of how hard it is to stop something that's moving. For example, imagine trying to stop a moving bicycle and a speeding car. Which one would be harder to stop? Well, you might have guessed already, it would be the car. But why? It's because the car has a much greater momentum. It's heavier and might also be moving faster than the bicycle. That means it takes more force and more time to bring it to a stop. The more momentum something has, the harder it is to stop. Now think about something that's not moving at all, like a book sitting on a table. How hard will it be to stop that? It's not hard at all. It's the easiest to stop. Why? Because it is not moving. It is already stopped, so there is no need to stop it anymore. So from this you can tell that anything at rest has zero momentum. Top tip: the greater the momentum, the harder it is to stop the object. The smaller the momentum, the easier it is to stop it. Momentum can be calculated using this formula. It is simply the product of mass and velocity. We can write this simply using P equals m times v. So momentum is mass times velocity, where P is momentum, m is mass, and v is velocity. Mass is measured in kilograms and velocity is measured in meters per second. So momentum, since it's a product of mass and velocity, it will have a unit of kg meters per second. So from this we can tell that momentum depends on two things: the mass of the object moving and the velocity of the object. Let's see an example. Well, a football of mass 0.5 kg is moving at 10 meters per second. Calculate its momentum. To find the momentum, we can simply use the equation P equals m times v. Then we can put down the values of mass and velocity and just solve it to get the value of the momentum. It is 5 kg meters per second. So this ball is moving with a momentum of 5 kg meters per second. Now imagine a car with mass 1000 kg moving at the same speed of 10 meters per second. Will it have the same momentum just because it has the same speed? Well, let's find out. First of all, make a quick sketch of what the question is talking about. So we have the car, it has a mass of 1000 kg and the velocity 10 meters per second. Then use the formula P equals m times v again, put down the values, and you see that the momentum is 10,000 kg meters per second. So this shows that even though the speeds were the same, but momentum are not the same. This is because the car has a greater mass and objects that are heavier have greater momentum. Remember, momentum is a vector quantity, which means it has both magnitude and direction. So if two objects are moving in opposite directions, their momenta will have the opposite signs. Now this is the most important part.